Welcome to another edition of Skybridge Channel, where we don't just watch, we listen properly, where we slow things down, pay attention to the details, and question what doesn't quite sit right. Let's get into this, because on the 27th of March, just before recess, something interesting is introduced: main themes.
Uyakhunjuzwa kwenhlanzi ukuthi usafungile.
Yeah.
The witness is reminded that he's still under
Yes, sir.
oath, my lord.
Yeah.
Mr. Ntanzi, can we just maybe continue with the two main themes that we've been busy with for the past 2 days?
Singachubeka ke Ntanzi ngezihloko ezimbili esasikhuluma ngazo insuku ezimbili ezedlule.
Namely the issue of the hoodie as well as your height,
Indaba yale hoodie oyibiza nge-tracksuit enesigqoko sayo kanye nobude bakho.
you'll recall that we posited to you that according to the evidence of Constable Zungu, Mr. Tumelo Madala and Ms. Zandile Kumalo, you had a hoodie on.
Uzakhumbula ke ukuthi ke ngokusho kobufakazi obufundelwe buka Tumelo nobuka Zandile kanye nobuka Zumu kuthiwa ke wena wawugqoke leyo tracksuit enesigqoko sayo ibizwa ngehoodie wawembethe yona.
And we also referred you to Exhibit J, the statement of Mr. T. Makaleni saying that suspect B had a black hooded top.
Saphinde sakubonisa ke statement lapho kubhalwe khona ngomnumzane T Makaleni lapho esho khona ukuthi ke umsolwa unumber B wayegqoke leyo hoodie emnyama.
And the second theme that we were busy with regarding your height was that Mr. Tumelo Madlala and Ms. Zandile Kumalo testified that the second suspect was taller than the first.
Okunye futhi kwesibili ukuthi ke okushiwo ke uMadlala kanye ke nomunye bathe ke lo omunye umsolwa wesibili wayemude.
And both identified you in court as the second suspect.
Kwathi labo bobabili ngoba ibona ke bakhonela ukukwazi bakhomba lenkantolo bathi uye lo msolwa.
Now, in this regard, we wish to refer you to the evidence of Mr. Mtokozizi Twala, which appears in the proceedings of 2 August 2023, page 41.
Ngalolo daba ke sithanda ukukhomba la ubufakazi obubuka mnumzane Thwala abothula ngomhla ze-2 ku-August 2023.
And at line 7, he testified as follows.
Sokukhomba ke lobo bufakazi ke obuye ke babhalwa phansi buthathwa ke ebufakazini abethule barekhodwa kuzoba soqala ku line 7 uzofunda ke aqede konke akufundayo sengiyakufundela ngiyahumusha.
I then noticed that there was a second one, and that person was tall. And he continues at line 9. So now the one that was in the scuffle together with Senzo was shorter than the one that was the second one.
Ubuthwala uyibeke kanjena uthi ngase ngiyabona ke ukuthi ke lona wesibili wayemude lo muntu wesibili wayemude lona owayelwa noSenzo noma wayeqabana elwa noSenzo wayemfushane kunalona wesibili.
Then on page 45, still during the proceedings of 2 August 2023, line 1, Mr. Twala, they were busy with the tall one.
Emgceni ke otholakala ke ekhasini number 45 kulobo bufakazi bukaThwala bangezi-2 zika August 2023 uthi uThwala ke babe busy bephisheke nalona omude.
Do you have a comment to proffer so far, Mr. Mdanzi?
Kukhona ngathanda ukuphawula kulezi impendulo.
Phambi kwenkosi enkantolo bakhuluma ngomuntu owangena wakhumala ayimi.
My lord, here they are referring to a person who entered Khumalo's place, not me.
Then at line 12, Mr. Twala testified as follows. The second one was carrying or was in possession of a sharp object that looked like a knife.
Emgceni number 12 khona la kulelo khasi uThwala uthi ke lona wesibili wayephethe okuthize okukhaliphile okunje kwakubukeka njengommese. Okubukhali kubukeka njengommese.
Then at line 20, Mr. Twala, to describe him facially, no, but the clothing is that he was wearing a hoodie.
Ku line 20 ukumchaza ebusweni cha kodwa ke ingubo noma impahla yembethe kwakuyi hoodie isigqoko esihlangene nebhashi lakhona ngamanye amasu.
And we then asked him, which suspect is this now? He said, suspect 2.
Ngase ngiyambuza ke mina mshushisi ngithi imuphi lo msolo manje ukhuluma ngayo wathi ke umsolo wesibili.
Do you have any comment?
Unako ukuphawula kulokho?
Nkosi enkantolo usho abantu abangena wakhumala ayimi.
My lord is talking about people who entered the Khumalo's place, not me.
Then, during the proceedings of 3 August 2023, at page 29, this is now during the cross-examination by counsel, Mr. Ramosepeli, to Mr. Twala, at line 22, Mr. Ramosepeli. Now, the first suspect that entered the house, what was his height? Then Mr. Twala answered as follows. Although I will not be able to give you such exactly, but he was not tall. He was a bit shorter.
Manje ekhasini 29 ngomhla ka 3 August 2023 lapho ke uThwala ephekwa ngemibuzo ebuzwa ngummeli uRamosipili. Ubuze kanjena ke ummeli wathi ngakho ke ufakazi lo umsolo wokucala owangena endlini ubude bakhe babungakanani. uThwala waphendula ngokuthi na noma ngeke ngikwazi ukunikeza bungako ubude bakhe ncamashi kodwa ke engakusho ukuthi wayengemude wayethanda ukuba mfushane.
Do you have any comment?
Waphawula kuloko?
ya ngoba ngisho nje phambi kosenkantolo ukuthi mina bakhuluma ngabantu abangena kwakhumalo.
Yes, as I already stated before this court, my lord, that here they are talking about people who entered at the Kumalo's place.
Remember
They are not referring to me, isn't it?
but remember the evidence of Mr. Tumelo Madlala
Khumbula ubufakazi bukaTumelo Madlala
and Ms. Zandile Kumalo. They pointed you out here in court as the second suspect
no
who entered the house.
nobukazandile Khumalo bona baye bafike bakhomba la enkantolo bathi wena lo muntu umsolo wesibili owangena nje ungaphenduli kwamanje sikumeli ithuba.
Hoodie, height. That's what we're asked to focus on. Two ideas, repeated, reinforced, and made central. And at first it sounds organized, structured, but the more you sit with it, the more it starts to feel reduced. Because a case like this isn't meant to be reduced. It's meant to be tested. And when everything begins to revolve around the same description, the same framing, you have to pause. Because consistency can be clarity, but it can also be something else. It can mean the story has been narrowed, and everything else is now expected to fit into it. And once that happens, the contradictions don't disappear. They just stop being the focus. The uncomfortable parts don't go away. They just don't get the same attention. And that's where it becomes a problem. Because now you're not just listening to what's being presented. You're noticing what's no longer being challenged. And in a case like this, that matters. So before you settle on any conclusion, let's go back and listen carefully to what Zandi actually said. Not what fits the theme, what was actually said.
Zandile Khumalo is changing her tune. In an interview with ENCA, Khumalo said that she could not identify the suspects because they were wearing masks. However, yesterday, she pointed out at Bongani Ntanzi as the intruder, corroborating another witness, Tumelo Madlala's testimony. So let's remind you of what she said exactly.
And another thing that's also like a serious concern for me is that kuthiwa abantu babushiwe ne thina njengabantu abababona abantu abangena endlini ne we were not called to ID these people. Why? Is it because now everything has suddenly changed and now we are suspects?
Do you recognize any of those men?
They were wearing masks half of the time. So there's no way I can say hilo or hilo. And none of those guys had dreadlocks. Mhlampe bagundile, some of them have gained weight. It's been a while. So right now I can't say ukhona noma akekho between all of those people. But see, right now kunabantu about 5, but the people that came into our house was 2 people. Yeah.
And that's why it's important to slow things down, to listen properly, and not just follow what sounds consistent. I appreciate you for being here, for taking the time to really engage and think this through. This channel is growing because of you, your support, your comments, your time. It all matters. We're on the road to 8,000, and I'm grateful to have you on this journey. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, like the video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them. And your voice matters here. What do you make of it? Is Baloyi revealing clarity or reinforcing a storyline? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next expose. I'm Skybridge. Goodbye.